Stress. It's a common element in our daily lives, with the hustle and bustle often leaving us feeling frazzled and overwhelmed. Yet managing stress doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By integrating simple, effective techniques into your daily routine, you can start to reduce your stress levels immediately and feel more relaxed and centered throughout your day. Deep breathing exercises are one of the simplest yet most powerful techniques to manage stress immediately. This method works by activating your body's natural relaxation response, helping to lower stress levels, reduce anxiety, and promote overall well-being. Basic technique. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair with your feet on the floor or sit cross-legged on the ground. Make sure your back is straight but not stiff. Breathe deeply from your abdomen. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose, ensuring that your diaphragm, not your chest, inflates with enough air to create a stretch in your lungs. Your belly should rise more than your chest as you breathe in. Exhale slowly. Exhale through pursed lips as if you are whistling. Feel the hand on your belly go in and use it to help push all the air out. Repeat. Do this breathing exercise for several minutes. You can increase the time gradually as you get more comfortable with the process. Deep breathing helps to focus your awareness away from the stressors that trigger feelings of anxiety and stress. By concentrating on your breath, you allow your mind to disconnect from intrusive thoughts, which can be very calming. The physiological effect of deep breathing is significant as well. It helps decrease heart rate and blood pressure, promoting a state of calmness. Additionally, these exercises can be done anywhere and anytime, providing a quick and effective way to manage acute stress whenever it arises. Incorporating deep breathing into your daily routine, perhaps before stressful events or in moments of high tension, can help you maintain a sense of calm and control throughout your day. This simple practice not only alleviates immediate stress, but also contributes to long-term stress management and emotional resilience. Creating a relaxation routine is an effective way to manage stress by carving out dedicated time for activities that promote calm and well-being. This routine acts as a daily anchor, offering a predictable and comforting break from the stresses of life. Designing your relaxation routine. Choose calming activities. Select activities that you genuinely enjoy and find relaxing. This could be anything from reading a book, sketching, listening to soothing music, or practicing yoga. The key is to engage in activities that make you feel detached from daily worries. Set a specific time. Consistency is crucial. Decide on a specific time each day dedicated to relaxation, whether early in the morning to start your day calmly or in the evening to wind down before bed. Sticking to a schedule helps reinforce the habit. Create a conducive environment. Enhance your relaxation experience by setting up a space that helps you relax. This could involve dimming the lights, playing soft background music, or ensuring the area is quiet and free from interruptions. A structured relaxation routine helps lower daily stress levels and improve mental health. Regularly engaging in relaxing activities can increase your overall emotional resilience, making you less reactive to stress in your environment. Over time, this practice not only aids in stress management, but also enhances your focus, productivity, and overall happiness. By integrating a relaxation routine into your day, you provide yourself a much-needed refuge from the chaos of everyday life, fostering a stronger, more balanced emotional state. Mindfulness and meditation are foundational practices for reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity. By focusing on the present moment and disengaging from the constant stream of thoughts, these practices help cultivate a state of mental peace and emotional stability. Basic mindfulness techniques. Focus on breathing. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus solely on your breathing. Pay attention to the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest. Observe your thoughts. As you meditate, observe your thoughts as they come and go. Instead of engaging with them, simply note their presence and gently redirect your attention back to your breath. Body scan. Slowly move your focus through different parts of your body. Notice any sensations, tensions, or discomfort. This practice promotes bodily awareness and relaxation. Regular practice of mindfulness and meditation can significantly lower stress levels by reducing reactivity to stressful situations. These techniques improve concentration and attention, decrease anxiety, and promote a profound sense of peace and balance. Over time, practitioners often report better sleep patterns, less irritability, and an improved overall mood. Mindfulness doesn't require any special equipment or environment and can be practiced anywhere, whether you're sitting at your desk or waiting in line. Starting with just a few minutes each day can lead to lasting benefits, making it easier to handle life's challenges with grace and calm. By incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine, you not only manage stress more effectively, but also enhance your overall quality of life. Physical activity is a vital component of stress management, offering both immediate relief and long-term health benefits. Engaging in regular exercise helps to metabolize excess stress hormones, such as cortisol and adrenaline, and stimulates the production of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers and mood elevators. Choose activities you enjoy. The key to consistency is enjoyment. Whether it's brisk walking, yoga, swimming, or cycling, select exercises that you look forward to doing. Set realistic goals. Start with achievable goals based on your current fitness level. Gradually increase the intensity and duration as you build stamina and confidence. Integrate movement into routine tasks. Make physical activity a part of your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park further from your destination, or try standing or walking meetings. Regular physical activity improves overall cardiovascular health, reduces the risk of stress-related ailments like hypertension and heart disease, and enhances cognitive function. It can also improve sleep, which is often negatively affected by stress, providing more energy and a clearer mind for handling daily tasks. Even short bursts of exercise can act as a powerful tool for managing stress. A simple 10-minute walk can clear your mind and lower stress levels. For those with busy schedules, breaking up exercise into small, manageable segments throughout the day can still provide significant health benefits. Consistent physical activity not only helps manage stress, but also boosts overall well-being, making it easier to maintain a balanced lifestyle. Maintaining a structured schedule is crucial for minimizing stress by providing predictability and a sense of control over daily activities. This organization can significantly decrease feelings of overwhelm and improve productivity, which in turn reduces anxiety and stress. Prioritize tasks. Start by identifying your most important tasks and scheduling them for times when you are most alert and productive, typically in the morning. This ensures that critical tasks are completed and reduces stress throughout the day. Allocate time wisely. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and allocate specific times to complete them. This method, known as time blocking, helps prevent procrastination and the stress associated with last-minute rushes. Be realistic. Avoid overscheduling by considering your natural workflow and the realistic amount of time tasks will take, including buffer times for unexpected delays or interruptions. Taking regular breaks is equally important. Short, frequent breaks allow the mind to rest, reset, and return to tasks with renewed focus and energy. The Pomodoro technique, which involves working for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break, is an effective method for maintaining concentration and avoiding burnout. A well-organized schedule with structured breaks can lead to a more balanced work-life dynamic, reducing stress and increasing satisfaction. It allows for better management of time and responsibilities, which contributes to a smoother, more efficient daily routine. In turn, this structure supports mental health by providing clear boundaries and time for relaxation and personal activities, essential for long-term stress management. As we've explored, managing stress effectively doesn't require dramatic changes to your lifestyle. By incorporating these simple techniques, deep breathing exercises, establishing a relaxation routine, practicing mindfulness and meditation, engaging in physical activity, and maintaining structured schedules and breaks, you can significantly enhance your ability to cope with daily pressures. Now, it's your turn to take control of your stress. Start by integrating one or more of these strategies into your daily routine. Whether it's setting aside time each day for deep breathing, committing to a daily walk, or restructuring your schedule for better efficiency, Each small step can lead to substantial improvements in your overall well-being. We encourage you to try out these methods and discover what works best for you. Share your experiences and successes in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel to learn more tips and share support. Don't wait to take back control of your life. Start today and make stress management a key part of your journey to a healthier, happier you.